you frustrated? Overwhelmed? Are you at your wits' end trying to grow your business? I get it. I was there. I'm not knowing what to do or how to do it. It's easy to get frustrated, pouring your heart, your soul, getting nothing in return, not getting anywhere. You're not alone. In the time you stop struggling, get all of my tips and strategies for how you can grow your business faster with less stress. Scroll down to the bottom, go all the way down to the bottom and sign on to my newsletter. Click on to Success with Karen B. It's true. The internet has opened the doors for entrepreneurs like us, but it's not easy, right? You can't just hop onto your computer and watch the money pour in. We know that. It take work, it takes some skill. The top earners know that. They have the skills. They made the decision to learn them. You can too. I made the decision about a year and a half ago. I could still remember it. I was in my bedroom, sitting on my bed, staring at the computer. I was at my wits' end. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't go back to my 9 to 5. I just couldn't. More about that at another time. But still, I couldn't imagine banging my head against the wall, trying to figure it out on my own for the rest of my life. I knew if things didn't change, I would be forced to go back to the 9 to 5 world, having a boss tell me when I could and couldn't have lunch, when I could and couldn't go to the bathroom. I just didn't want that. Not at that stage of my life. I just didn't want it. And then somebody made me an offer that I'm going to make to you. So, how would you like to stop feeling overwhelmed and start feeling empowered? Have everything in one place? How would you like to be able to get advice on how to move your business forward from 6 and 7 figure earners, people who have been where you are now? This might be a turning point for you. Same way it was a turning point for me. I can get you access to a platform with all the information on how to get leads, how to close sales, how to create courses. They have got an incredible AI system. If this sounds good to you, go back down and click successwithkarenb.com. Click the first tab, Market Deca Pro, and see what it'll get you. If you have any questions or want to know more, I'm going to actually drop my calendar as well. Feel free to book some time with me so we can have a discussion. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.